Assalamualaikum. Hello children, how are you today? I hope that you are staying safe at home. Today I want to teach you about plants and what they need to grow. Plants are living organisms that cover much of the land of planet Earth. You see them everywhere. They include grass, tree, flowers, and more. The three basic parts of the most plants are the leaf, the stem, and the roots. How are plants made? Almost plants start from a seed. When they set in the soil, it germinates. Just like human beings, plants need certain elements to grow healthily. There are 5 things plants need to grow. First, sunlight. Plants use sunlight to perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where plants make water to absorb the nutrients from the soil and move these nutrients through different parts of the plants. Air. The two main reasons plants need air are to photosynthesis and to breathe. Just like us, plants need to breathe too. Soil. The healthy soil is the important for the plants. Soil provide nutrients and stability to plants as well. Let's recap on the 5 things a plant need to grow, which are sunlight, soil, water, air, and the last one, nutrient. Okay children, that's all for our lesson today. See you soon. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.